Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome back, friends. Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solve. Today we get you an interesting puzzle, and the name of the puzzle is the mouse puzzle. In this puzzle, as you can see, we have a mouse with skates, a minion with balloons, and we have to find out the value of every item present in the puzzle so that we can put those values in the final equation to solve this puzzle. So guys, let's start. But before jumping to the final solution, let's start a timer and pause this puzzle for 30 seconds so that we can solve this together. And friends, don't forget to put your answers in the comment section. So our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. In the first equation, you can see there are 3 Jerrys on skates and their total value is equal to 18. When you solve a single Jerry on skate, you will get the value as 18 divided by 3, that will be equal to 6. Jumping on to the second equation, you can see here there are 2 minions, one here, and they have 4 balloons in their hands. And we have 2 skates also, and their total value is equal to 20. When you solve this puzzle equation in terms of 2 skates, you will find out the value as 20 minus 2 minions with 4 balloons. We'll leave this equation as it is. Now we'll jump to the third equation. In the third equation, you can see 2 pair of balloons and 1 Jerry on skates, and their total value is equal to 10. And we know Jerry on skates value is equal to 6. So when you solve the equation for 2 balloons, it will be 10 minus 6 divided by 2, that is 4 divided by 2. So if 2 balloons value is equal to 2, then 1 balloon value will be equal to 1. Jumping on to our fourth equation, we have 2 pair of skates and 2 balloons here, and their total value is equal to 6. And we know the value of balloon is equal to 1, so 2 balloons value will be equal to 2. Now solving this equation for 2 skates, it will be 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2. Therefore 2 skates value will be equal to 4. If 2 skates value is equal to 4, then 1 skate will be equal to 2. Now we know the value of 1 skate. We'll jump to the second equation here, in which 2 skates value is equal to 20 minus 2 minion with 4 balloons. Now we'll put the value of 2 skates here, that is equal to 4. This is equal to 20 minus 2 minions with 4 balloons. We'll solve this equation for 2 minions. For minion with 4 balloons, it will be 20 minus 4 divided by 2. So that will be 16 divided by 2. So it will be 8. Now we have every item's value with us. We can now solve this final equation of the puzzle. Jumping on to the final equation, here you can see one minion with 3 balloons, one balloon with 3 skates, and one Jerry without a skate. So putting all the values of all the items present here, so one minion with 4 balloons value is equal to 8, but as you can see the minute detail here that minion is holding only 3 balloons, not 4. So we have to subtract one balloon's value. So one balloon value is equal to 1. So 8 minus 1 plus 1 balloon value is equal to 1, and we have 3 skates and 1 skate's value is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 3 into 2, it will be equal to 6. Now we have Jerry with skates value is equal to 6 and 1 skate is 2. So we have to minus Jerry's on skate minus skate. So it will be 6 minus skates value, that is equal to 2. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we have to first solve brackets. So it will come out to be 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Here 3 into 2 will be solved first according to the BODMAS rule, that will be equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now solving this bracket, it will be equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now according to the BODMAS again, we have to first solve this multiplication sign. That will be equal to 28. 7 into 4 is 28. Now we have to add 7 in 28. So our final answer will be 35. And this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe. And please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.